The best revenge is success. Let me tell you why. Those same people that doubt you, they're going to have to respect you. That building in that process, that trying to break through barriers, become the best version of yourself, this ain't going to be no easy ride. I've been doing digital marketing for the last 15 years. Let me just tell you, in 2025, it's going to get tougher, but that is what can make you stronger. Building a business online, I encourage you to do it. Or getting so locked into your personal brand or your purpose that you can elevate to the next level. It shifts the narrative. Most people gonna have this to say about you. Oh, they always did this. Oh, they always operate like this. But when you get to where you going, they gonna have to respect that. I gotta say it also do something to your confidence, because when you had people doubt you for so long, oh, she ain't gonna never do it. Oh, he ain't gonna never do it. No, that ain't what you want. You going to the gym, you working on your mind, you working on your body, you eating right, you thinking different, you consuming content like this. Oh yeah, 2025 gonna be lit. That's only if you get so locked into your purpose that you break through them barriers and you change that narrative so that they say, oh yeah, she did do that. Oh, he did do that. Man, I went 20 years, no job as a young adult to now grown man with a family, no job. Built a business, got my first job at 35 because of COVID. But I'm here to tell you, someone that has done it, built a 7-figure business, had to start back over, build it back up. You can do this, especially in 2025. You outgrow the competition. Competition is still looking at everything from a certain vantage point, but now you've moved on. You've built past that. All right, bam, I got my plan in place. I'm using tools like Notion. I'm mapping out my ideas. I'm going to do this, bam, over the next couple of weeks. I'm going to do this. I'm going to reach out to this person. I'm going to build my network like that. Most people just thinking everything just gonna come to them. They think the laws of attraction. No, you got to go out there and get traction. 2025 is for the hustlers. And if you ain't one, you need to be consuming content like this so you can improve on where you at. You can do this. Don't let them naysayers and naysayers say that you locked into this certain category of person because, oh, you lazy. Oh, they ain't got no ambition. Or, oh, they this, it. Man, go on with that shit, bro. Go on with that. I'm so tired of that. I don't broke past all them barriers, man, because I know what people can say about you. Oh, he only want to do this. Oh, he only want to do that. That's fine. Eventually, you're going to have to pay me. My time is precious. Your time is precious. The time that we have on this earth, we need to be out here making an impact. God created us in his likeness. And as we go into this new year, 2025, success is the best revenge. I'm 15 years in on my purpose, being a digital marketer. March 2025, I made 16 years, man. I had people tell me, why would he want to do stuff online? What is that? Don't you want to go out here and introduce yourself and go get this job? No, I don't, because I'm reading magazines like everybody else. In 2006, and I'm learning about these guys, Sergey Brin and this guy, they created Google, and now this company is acquiring this and they're creating YouTube, and all these things are happening. And I'm like, yo, I need to be trying to get me a little piece of this internet while I can. And here we are, down there 20 years later. Don't let them people hold you back. Don't let that mindset that they put in place for you be the way that they categorize you as this individual. No, bro. No, sis. Independence, financial freedom is where you at with it. Success is the best revenge. Silence that criticism. Cut it out. Like, why are you consuming that content? Why are you around these people? You need to be so locked into your purpose that you can't hear that crap, man. You can't hear that shit. Just be real about it. You can't. Oh, they says, oh, these people ain't connecting with you with this. They're not responding back. All right, cool. Get so locked into your purpose that you structure out your day the right way. Like I said, you eating better, you working out, you pushing forward, you building your brand, you building your name up, you building your skill. Work on acquiring more skills. They ain't gonna do nothing but respect you. Because once you put that plan into motion, oh man. It also allows you to lead by example. For instance, my background, like I mentioned, as a growth marketer, working with during the supply chain, I'm working with politicians during the supply chain. I'm working in the supply chain, helping companies that are experiencing economic shifts because of the economy. And I'm doing this from a digital marketing perspective. Like, I'm seeing how the world is changing, man. And I'm like, yo, make sure y'all log on to kcdoesmarketing.com if you want more insight on how you can work with me directly. You know, business coaching, digital marketing coaching, all the above. But I encourage you, make success your best revenge.